Hello everyone, I'm here to give like a little bit of answers about a topic that I saw today like all over the TikTok with another girls doing like amazing cool videos about menstrual cup, and I was so motivated and inspired to explain about menstrual cup. This is a menstrual cup, and a menstrual cup it's made of 100% medical grade silicone. Super safe, no toxins. It's like the best thing that you can buy. A menstrual cup is to collect your period. So your period is gonna get in here and you're gonna like dump it like that. Basic things. With a menstrual cup, when it's time to put it inside, my favorite fold is the C fold because I believe it's the most convenient one. So when it's time to put it inside, please girls, tip number one, we don't have a straight canal. Our body is not like that. Our body is just like, think this is us. Like, look, this is B. Look, it's not like this. It goes like in a sideway. So you just pull it inside in a sideway. Basically, she needs to reach out until here, and when she opens, she starts to collect your period. It comes from here. This prototype is small, so it's really hard to explain you because this should be a little bit longer. But once everything is inside, you should feel very comfortable. Let me show you from here. You put it like there, she opens up, and you have to make sure and wiggle it to make sure that everything is open. If you notice that she's not completely open and she's just like this, you have to pull it down and feel with your fingers to make sure that she's fully open. Don't be scared about put your fingers inside and feel it. Like you need to make sure that she is like sealed in here so it's no leak. So when it's time to remove her, the only thing that you're gonna do is reach with your fingers for this little place, reach with your fingers inside, break the seal like this, and just pull it down. Dump it, wash it, and that's it. This is an amazing thing for people who has like heavy flows. Now my menstrual cup, this is the normal to heavy flow, and looks a little bit bigger because this one is intended to people who is over 30 or the ones they already gave like a natural birth. So in this case scenario, it's very important that you know that and that you know which size is the best fit for you. BlissMia is going to have a light to normal flow in a couple days, available in Amazon, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. And no, the menstrual cup, it doesn't get stuck inside, and if it for any reason she went too deep inside and you feel like I can reach out, you just squat down, and when you squat down you push like you're going to number 2, and your body immediately is going to do this. Then you can reach out and take your cup out. That's it. Wash it, sterilize it, clean it. You can have it for 12 hours straight. This is an amazing thing. Like I'm in my first day of my period. I put it this morning. I put it last night. I woke up, I went to the gym. Then I took a shower, I removed it, I put it back again. And coming from work, and it's just, you don't have to use more products. Like it's like 4 tampons on 1 cup. It's amazing. It's very clean. It keeps you super fresh. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna get tired of trying to convincing people of just switch so you can have a better period experience. Like, I truly believe if we have a better period experiences, we don't have to stop living our lives. We don't have to adjust our lives because of our period. And I feel it's time, honestly, I mean, it's about time that we started to think more positive about something that's so magical in us. And I know we all have different experiences and processes, you know, like pain and everything. But just saying it, like probably it's just time they we look for better things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, BlissMia is available in Amazon. It's almost sold out, to be honest with you. The heavy, this is the normal to heavy flow, it's almost sold out. I have a new order coming soon. The light to normal one is going to be in a pink beautiful spring color, and I'm so excited about that one. And thank you guys for watching, and please comment and let me know your questions. Like, I love the videos that I saw today from this other girl, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so epic, so fantastic. People were commenting and like cool things, you know, like I was so excited, like seeing like all these questions and all those answers and people commenting. And I want my community to grow in something very similar, just like to be very open about periods and just like talk about periods, period emotions, like everything. I hope you guys have an amazing night. Thank you for watching my videos, and bye bye.